Walk through nights with my head down low, letting down, tell me what I should know. But every whisper tried to lie, said I was small, said don't try. But my voice is louder than fear. Every doubt disappears. I stand tall, I'm still here. My voice is louder than fear. Every fall taught me how to rise. Every tear sharpened my eyes. I'm done hiding in the noise. Now I choose my void. I won't fade. I won't fold. I'm stronger than I was told. My voice is louder than fear. I was born to persevere. Through the dark, through the tears, my voice is louder than sunrise bleeding through the chrome. The engine hums. I'm never alone. Miles behind, no strings to pull. This road is wide. My tank is full. Dusty signs and radio noise, old guitar and a reckless voice. I don't chase what I can't control. I just follow the pull of my soul. Every mile cuts another chain. Every breath feels lighter again. The open road is calling my name. Wind on my face, fire in my veins. No rearview dreams, no one to blame. Just me, the night, and a burning flame. If tomorrow never comes around, at least tonight I'm heaven bound. The open road keeps pulling me in. Freedom's loud when the ride begins. There's a silence between heartbeats where the truth likes to hide. When the world stops screaming and you can't outrun your mind. I've been loud with my failures, quiet with my pain, build walls out of laughter so no one sees the rain. In the silence between heartbeats, I hear who I really am, not the man that I pretend to be, just to please the crowd and stand. Your truth don't shout, it waits. In the silence between heartbeats, I chase meaning in mirrors, in bottles and empty praise. Thought freedom was running, turns out it's choosing to stay. Every life felt like armor till it rusted my soul. I learned you don't break chains by never losing control. In the silence between heartbeats, I face every sin I defend. I forgive the man in the mirror for not knowing how to bend. Your peace ain't loud or sweet, it lives in the silence between heartbeats. We're all afraid of the quiet because it remembers everything. But sometimes the quiet is where healing begins. for once. I listen. Through the cracks of my doubts, dust on my boots, got the world figured out. Every scar tells a story I survived. I'm done waiting, now I'm driving my life. I hear the engine screaming my name. No more fear, no more chains. I got fire.